Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel Naija News and Entertainment. I've got an interesting gist for you from the Ultimate Love Show. David is not my class. I can't present Jay to my parents. Nkechi and Presh Talker said this on the Ultimate Love Show. Friday evening discussion between Nkechi and Presh Talker has sent shocking waves to the viewer as the female duo claim that they are only spending borrowed time with their individual partners. Nkechi, one of the most adorable and attractive ladies in the love part, told Presh Talker that she can't present somebody like Jay to her family as husband-to-be, and by his look alone, he is not her taste. While Presh Talker also reciprocated by saying if not for the game Ultimate Love, she won't be paired with someone like David Wilson, adding that David is not up to her class. AB, who was sleeping while they were discussing it inside the room, overheard their conversation, and she gave Obi, her Ultimate Love partner, the lowdown. Nkechi is one half of J Cash, while Presh Talker is one half of the most talked about couple, Presh David. This show is getting really serious, guys. What do you think about this new revelation? Leave your comments in the section below. If you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.